Hey everybody, it's Marcus again, and today we're going to use our foam roller once more. So, same as before, you can use any length of foam roller and choose the firmness of foam roller that you would like. We're going to work a little bit on our neck. Awesome. So when you're ready, we're going to just place the foam roller down to the ground, and we're going to place the back of your head, pretty much the nape of your neck where the skull and the neck meet, right on the foam roller. Awesome. Getting your hair out of the way. And from here, you're just going to lie down comfortably. I would say keep the knees bent so that your lower back is more supported. Now your foam roller might want to roll back and forth, so you can hold it in place with your hands. Awesome. Now from here, you're just going to press your head, the back of your head, to the roller. That should feel like a good amount of pressure to begin with. Now from here, we're going to just roll the head side to side. Beautiful. So keeping a nice bit of pressure on the roller as you nod the head left and right. It's going to give a nice release to your neck here. Beautiful. Now, you should feel a nice bit of pressure to the back of your head, making sure the roller stays still. It might feel a bit more intense on one side than the other. That's totally normal. We're trying to just even it out. Good. Making sure you're breathing. Just taking your time, letting the roller do its work. Now you can also come back center when you're ready. Let's nod the head forward and back a smidge. Beautiful. So very slight. It's not much movement. Your roller might roll a little bit. Awesome. You should feel a nice amount of pressure, especially on the lean back of the head. Beautiful. We're just going to play with the movement a little bit here. This time, we're going to lean right and little back. Ah, good. So you're going to hit a couple more muscles here. Lean left and lean back a smidge. Good. And let's try to do that again. Every side. Good. So we're just basically adding on every time. We're trying to just hit more parts of the neck, the back of the head as we go through this. Great. And just do a couple more here as best you can, as much as is comfortable. Beautiful. Maybe just one more right and left. Great, and let's bring it center. Now from here, try to just circle the head around as best you can. Awesome, keeping the circle one direction for now. Let's just do 5, that's about 2. 3 more. And again, making sure the roller stays in place. It might nudge a little bit, but you don't want it to roll fully. Very good. And after 5, let's go the other way. Very good. And no rush here. Just really taking your time and feeling out the neck. You might find that some spots are a bit tighter than others. That's totally normal. That's totally okay. I think last circle here. Great. Now last thing we're doing, we're bringing it back center. Now just nod the head left and right, up and down, maybe circle, and just find a tight spot for your neck. Now once you find a tight spot for your neck, mine is on the right side, you're just going to have a little movement here. Maybe a little side to side, maybe a little up and down. But the goal is to really keep the pressure on that general area where it's tight, and just giving it little movements to help mold into the roller, to help the roller really get into that tight spot. Awesome. And make sure it's not painful, just a little uncomfortable. Good. And making sure you breathe. Good. Because when you hold your breath, your muscle is going to fight the roller. You don't want that. You want it to release. Maybe just a few more movements here. keeping pressure on that tight side. And let's bring it to center. Awesome. From here, let's just lean to the right side and push ourselves up to seated, sitting up. Good. Now from here, sit up tall and just lift the head up high. Big inhale, exhale, right ear to right shoulder. Let's circle it forward. Inhale, coming up the left side. Let's just do 2 more just to even out the neck here. And finish up your last circle, making sure you're still sitting upright, just moving from the neck up. And bring it back center. Other side, inhale, head up, exhale, left ear to left shoulder. Start to bring it forward. Inhale, come up the right side. Again, just sitting tall. And 2 more. Exhale. Inhale. And last circle, exhale. And inhale to bring the head back up. Good. Hopefully that was a good release for your neck. Hopefully you enjoyed, and thank you for practicing with me. We're done, everybody. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like, subscribe if you can, share the video if you can, and have a great day, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.